Remember back in '02 when I was in school and acting a fool. My soul got saved, my debt had been paid, but still.
I'm going to show you how I achieved this cute hairstyle. Right now, Peyton has freshly washed hair, and I'm going to pull out on the ends to take out the kinks and the knots, and I'm going to part her hair into 4 sections so that I can detangle her hair in a much better way. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm going to spray this all over her head, y'all. I am I like to over moisturize sometimes because Peyton's hair gets very dry, and I'm just going to massage it all over her hair and pull out on the ends for kinks and find any kinks that I feel in my hand or knots and things like that. I'm just going to detangle with my fingers. I am going to be using the Lustrous Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil, and I just massage that all over her hair. Her hair loves this product, y'all, and it makes it very soft and easy for me to manage. I also seal in the moisture with a little bit of oil, and then I start to take my comb and I start from the ends to the roots to detangle her hair. I'm also going to be doing this, detangling her hair in separate sections as I do the twist outs so that her hair can be extra detangled. Now that I am done with the back, I'm going to neatly part her hair into 2 sections and do the same moisturizing process that I did in the back. And also, I'm going to be parting just a small part on the side of each of her head, like from the end of her eyebrow, so that I can do the 2 braids that I had on the side with the beads. I am also going to be using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Flexible Styling Snot Gel so that I can hold the 2 ponytails that I have. I don't use a lot in her head because I don't she's a child and I don't want her hair to be extremely hard, so I add a little bit of water and I use my toothbrush instead of a regular brush because my daughter does not like the big brushes and things like that. So I use a toothbrush to lay every strand of her hair, and I'm also going to be using a big scrunchie to hold the ponytail together. So after I put in the ponytail, I am going to be detangling the ends once again so that all the snags and things can get out. And then I'm going to neatly just separate her hair into two sections and then split those two sections into two so that I can have four chunky twists. And in this style, I didn't do them very tight, like a rope tight. I did it very loose so that I can achieve the bun that I had in her head. Sorry, but I don't know what be up with my camera. But I had lost the footage to where I was teaching you guys how to neatly get this bun. So I told you guys it was split into four twists. So basically, I neatly took each of the twists and turned them clockwise, and then as one was finishing, I grabbed the other one, and as the next one was finishing, I grabbed them, and then I gently took bobby pins and I pinned them together. So I use about four bobby pins to pin them in place. As you can see, I braided the beginning and then I twisted the ends, and that's the same thing I'm going to be doing on the other side, just like that. This is the end result. Adults can rock this look too. I would just unravel the two strand twist and go on about my day. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, and I'll talk to you guys soon.